Are you excited? Oh, sister. Oh, she's big. Oh, that was cute. What is it?
What you open and then you can open it.
You can open it, and what's it for?
It's for your early birthday.
For your early birthday? Oh my heck. Okay, let's.
Here, let me hold your sucker. Or you got your sucker, okay?
Hold it,
Help
hold
him
it.
or film or?
Hold it, hold it.
I'll hold your sucker.
Do you want to film this? Okay, come here. We're gonna have to cut it open. Oh my
I
heck.
can't believe it.
Oh, I can't believe it either.
Katie, come over here.
I don't know how to get into it.
I know you.
Visitor.
Open.
Let's see. Look out, okay? Because the knife can cut it. So let mommy get it.
I can.